Welcome to That's Why Science is Fascinating, where we explore the fascinating world of science. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most pressing issues of our time, climate change. What is it, what causes it, and what can we do about it? Stay tuned to find out. Climate change refers to significant changes in global temperatures and weather patterns over time. While climate change is a natural phenomenon, recent trends have been heavily influenced by human activity. Since the 1800s, human activities have been the main driver of climate change, primarily due to the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas. At the heart of climate change is the greenhouse effect. Certain gases in Earth's atmosphere, like carbon dioxide and methane, trap heat. This natural process keeps our planet warm enough to sustain life. However, human activities have increased the concentration of these gases, enhancing the greenhouse effect and leading to global warming. Human activities are changing Earth's natural greenhouse effect. Burning fossil fuels like coal and oil puts more carbon dioxide into our atmosphere. NASA has observed increases in the amount of carbon dioxide and some other greenhouse gases in our atmosphere. Too much of these greenhouse gases can cause Earth's atmosphere to trap more and more heat. This causes Earth to warm up. Earth's climate has changed throughout history. Just in the last 800,000 years, there have been 8 cycles of ice ages and warmer periods, with the end of the last ice age about 11,700 years ago marking the beginning of the modern climate era and of human civilization. Most of these climate changes are attributed to very small variations in Earth's orbit that change the amount of solar energy our planet receives. The current warming trend is different because it is clearly the result of human activities since the mid-1800s, and is proceeding at a rate not seen over many recent millennia. It is undeniable that human activities have produced the atmospheric gases that have trapped more of the sun's energy in the Earth system. This extra energy has warmed the atmosphere, ocean, and land, and widespread and rapid changes in the atmosphere, ocean, cryosphere, and biosphere have occurred. The evidence for climate change is overwhelming. Since the late 19th century, Earth's average surface temperature has risen by about 1.2 degrees Celsius. This warming has resulted in shrinking ice caps, rising sea levels, and more extreme weather events. Climate change affects every corner of our planet. It disrupts weather patterns, leading to more intense and frequent storms, floods, and droughts. It also impacts ecosystems and biodiversity, with many species facing the threat of extinction. The primary driver of recent climate change is the burning of fossil fuels for energy, which releases large amounts of carbon dioxide. Other significant contributors include deforestation and agricultural practices, which increase greenhouse gas emissions.
Addressing climate change requires a multifaceted approach. Renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower offer sustainable alternatives to fossil fuels. Reforestation and sustainable agricultural practices can help absorb CO2, while energy efficiency and conservation efforts can reduce our overall carbon footprint. Paris Agreement, an international treaty signed in 2015 where countries committed to limiting global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, with efforts to limit the increase to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Policy and innovation play critical roles in combating climate change. International agreements like the Paris Accord aim to limit global warming, while advancements in clean technology, such as electric vehicles and carbon capture, offer promising solutions. You too can make a difference. Reduce your energy consumption, support renewable energy, and advocate for policies that address climate change. Every small action contributes to a larger impact. Climate change is a challenge that affects us all, but together, we can create a sustainable future. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science insights. For more videos on science and technology, do subscribe.